All right, I think I am ready to do my first pull with meth. It's so many things you go like, okay, I got the purest meth I can. I've loaded the correct map. I set up the gauge, I think, correctly. So it's just the first time, man. I don't know what to expect. I mean, I'm hoping it's just going to be as strong, if not stronger, than, you know, the one without meth 93. It's just hope everything works right. Jesus, dude, that is fucking strong. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much again for tuning in. As you know from the title of the video, today is the day I'm going to flash to meth for the first time. I am oddly actually I'm nervous. It kind of reminds me of the time I first did the E85, just because it was so foreign to me. Like, it was the first time I pumped something into my tank that wasn't gasoline. I just felt very awkward about it. And there's a video that I did a long time ago last year. And, you know, after the first time, it's whatever. But the very first time I was like, man, I'm hoping I'm following the instructions right. I'm following the instructions for my tuner correctly. I got it as low as possible in gas. You know, all those weird stomach quirks. So, but if you guys haven't seen it already, there is the stealth tank. It is already completely topped off with meth. I did that when I was over my buddy's house when we did the diffuser, which I didn't shoot that part, but there was boost juice in it that Brian from Kies Motorsports had put in there for me, which was really nice. He just wanted to make sure that it was functioning, that, you know, the pump was working, everything was primed. So he put boost juice in there, but my tuner is going for 100% meth. So that means that would have to come out. And I don't have a tune for that. So we had to siphon it out. We siphoned it out, and then we put 100% meth in there from VP. It's VP M1. Cary said that's pretty much as good as it gets. So we topped that off. I have not used it. I have not even set up the gauge yet. So we're gonna all go through that together today. Go through the gauge settings. I'm gonna upload the tune, and yeah, and then we're gonna go data logging. So here we go. All right, so from my previous video, I learned that we do not need to be in the car. There's the gauge. We do not need to be in the car to flash, which I don't know why I never thought of that until Brian had told me that's what he does, so he doesn't bake in a car when he's flashing. So, unplug that guy. That guy's plugged in. And don't forget the seatbelt. All right, so last one I was on was the pure stage 2 plus 93 octane no meth, and now I'm gonna go to with meth. And I asked Cary, because I was like, hey, what do I need to program the gauge to do? Like, you know, what do we want to do for this first revision? So he said, hey man, start spray at 15 psi, full spray at 20 psi. I may move that around if need be, but that's a good starting point. So that's what we're gonna do. I do wanna go into my config here and just see what's going on. Yeah, so everything is like default, so I need to change this stuff around. All right, and I'm going to save changes and save. Okay, so here we go. We are going to now flash 93 octane with meth for the first time. So this will take much longer than the other time when I just did config changes, because it was already loaded. This is a new map, so this will probably not take like the 90 seconds. This will probably take more like 4 or 5 minutes. Seatbelt on, accessory, headlights are off, radio's off. Press here, flash now. And flash, here we go. Now the fun time waits. I'm just gonna set this baby down. And obviously I'm gonna shorten this part of the video. All right, success. So here we go. Brand new map loaded, 93 octane with meth, pure stage 2 plus turbos. Gonna data log, send this baby over to Cary. All right, but before we data log, I told you I was gonna show you the gauge, and here it is. I believe this is called the VC50. This is snow performance gauge. I don't think there's a ton to these menu settings. It looks like you can say when you want to injection to start, which we're gonna change, when it wants to go full, which we're gonna change, power nozzle off. Then you got text color, you can change your text color. Same thing with the bar color, you can change your bar color. So injection off, we're gonna have to say to make that enabled. So let's go injection to start. I was told 15. All right. Injection to go full, I was told 20. All right. Text color, yeah, I didn't want that. Bar color. Injection off, I want that to be on. So what's the difference between injection and power nozzle? All right, so I'm just doing a quick confirmation with Brian over at Kies. So I'm pretty sure from what, here we go. Single stage, so yeah, because it's teed off, so I'm pretty sure this should be off. All right, so it starts at 15, goes full at 20. Power nozzle is if you had a second stage. Even though I have two nozzles, I'm not doing a second stage. It should be all at once because it's being teed. And Brian just confirmed I would leave that off. All right, so I'm leaving that off. And then text color, we know that, the graph color, injection on, and this is gonna be based off, you know, pumping. So it'll pump starting at 15 and it'll ramp up and it'll go full at 20. Thanks again, Brian. It's like so many things to check. So, all right, we've flashed. We have a full tank of meth. We are connected. Make sure that I am ready to data log. All right, those are all my, done a lot of data logging. All right, so we will do dashboard. Double tap anywhere, blah, 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 blah. But I want to do auto log. All right, this is the first time starting with, since we've just flashed with the new map. All right, no codes, that's good. No funny idle. Every time I flash though, I do notice that I lose all my M settings. I wonder if that's for everyone as well. All right, I think I am ready to do my first pull with meth. Just hope everything works right. So, all right, I'm gonna get the action camera set up and we're gonna go for a ride. Okie doke. Here we go, first pull. Third gear. Start at 2500. That up because I feel like traction was on. Damn it. I thought I had that off. Son of a gun. Alright, I don't know, I wasn't paying attention to Snow performance gauge. All right, can I change it on the fly? I could have sworn I had that. Oh yeah, I had it fully on. I didn't even have an MDM, son of a... All right, I'm fully off now. Sport Plus engine, comfort suspension. I do want that squat. Sport steering. Some people for comfort steering as well, but all right. Man, here we go. This is my second spot I do my pull. That was gas, just a heads up. That was a gas warning. All right, third gear. I need to get down to 2,500. Come on, 2,500. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. I'm watching my gauge now. Woo! Holy moly! Whoa. Stronger? Definitely stronger. I did see the bar though, so I'm hoping that meant it was pumping. All right, I'm gonna do my last one here. Maybe I'll do a fourth because I messed up that first one. All right, here we go. Getting ready for 2,500. 2,500. Damn it! Holy jeez! Jeez! Can I do it right here, right now? 3, 2, 1, 0, 2,500. Here, I'm going for it. I'm going for it. Oh my gosh! Jeez, I can't even not look at my gauge because I'm so hyper-focused. It is hot, so I'm not just like stress sweating, although I'm stress sweating. It feels good. It feels really good. All right, 2,500 RPMs, full throttle. Oh my gosh, yes. It is. All right, I saw 28 PSI that time. Oh my God, I'm going. Whoa, whoa, whoa. All right. That's it. That's it. Get here. That felt good. That felt real good. Wow. Awesome. Well, going back in the garage. All right. Oh, I gotta make sure my logs are good, please, because I think I got like 5 in there. At least 4 legit good ones. Please tell me data logs. Yes, yes, yes. I got 9 seconds, 7 seconds, 7 seconds, 9 seconds. Sweet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, I'm sending all those to Cary now. Guys, thank you for going on this journey with me. That was not like staged at all. Those were all genuine reactions. I'm kind of curious if I can even see a difference. The thing about the VP M1, unlike the boosters was like pinkish. This is like water. It's like clear. Yeah, it's tough to see the level. But anyway, I've already figured out an issue with Meth. That I'm going to talk about in an upcoming video, and I found that out the first day. This is my first data log and pull with it and using it, but I'm talking about getting the Meth in the tank. I appreciate you guys going on this journey with me. I hope you get a kick out of reactions. I'm wanting to review it right now because it was more intense than I thought. I thought it was going to be pretty subtle. Like I was like, can I feel I don't know what to expect. I don't know if it's supposed to be a 25 wheel gain. I don't know if it's supposed to be a 60 wheel gain, but it was strong. So anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. If you like today's content or the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe. I will catch you guys next time. See ya.